Today I want to show you how you can download digital content from a website into your flash drive without necessarily downloading it into your computer first and now transferring it or copying into your flash drive. So instead of going 2 steps, you can just go 1 step. But before we go into doing this, I want to drop this quickly. This is a disclaimer. If you want to do this, make sure it's within the environment you control, and make sure you don't do this in your working place if the security policy of your workplace does not allow that. So you have to be familiar with the security policy of your workplace before you can use this, or you can use it on your own computer where you control. Okay, so let's dive into it. So let me first show you the content of my flash drive. Okay, this is the content of my flash drive. See my removable disk E. That's it. I have only 3 things in here. Okay, I can close it off. Now let's go to Google, and this is what I want to do. I'm using Chrome today, and I have typed in regression testing PDF. I want a PDF to be downloaded into my flash drive and not into the computer, not into the default download folder on my computer. So what I'll do is this. First, let me open up a new page here. Click on this icon and go to settings. From settings, click on the menu here and go to advanced and go to downloads. In the downloads, assuming this is my default download paths. Actually, before this video, I have changed the default download path to this one for the purpose of this video. So I will now go ahead and change it to my flash drive. So all you do is click on change and scroll to search for your drive. So this is my drive. Click on it and bam, there you go. So after this, anything you download will go into your flash drive direct from the website. You won't need to first download into the download folder and start copying it into the flash drive. Okay, let's go ahead and test it. Here I have this regression testing. Let's see, I've shown you earlier that I have only 3 contents in my flash drive, so I want to download this now. Click on download and you see it automatically open up your removable drive for you. So save. Okay, let me bring up my flash drive now and let's see the content. Let's see where it is downloaded, where the digital content is downloaded into. Okay, see, we have it right here. And when you finish this, do not be in a hurry to remove your drive and sync out of the room, the office, or where the computer is that you have finished. You need to go back, remember, and change this back to the default place. So what you do is you go back to the libraries. Okay, that's mine, and bam, I'm back there. So anything I download after this is going into this folder. So that's all we will talk about today. You now know how to download into your flash drive without having to download into the computer first before you start copying it into the flash drive. If you like this video, please subscribe. On top of your YouTube video, you see a bell icon. Click on it. That will alert you anytime I upload a new video, and please make sure you subscribe to the video down here. Thank you. Hope to see you next time.